top motor mount, top center one. That thing's not lined up right. I've had them before where a guy, they'll have the motor sitting in there crooked. So on that, the way you line it up, the way it should be lined up, with top mount loose, you should be able to take that bolt where it goes off the right side and just drop the bolt through, and it fall right through that alignment bar. Not having to pull the motor over one way or the other. Definitely big vibration from that on baggers. Now that's Harley specific, and that's actually bagger specific for those. Big problem there. General engine misalignment. What happens there? They've had the swing arm off or whatever, isolator blocks off, and when they put them back together, the motor's cocked to one side instead of sitting in there square. So they definitely need to square that up. And that's going to be checked off with an inclinometer off the off the rear disc to the front discs, and they should be equal. If they're not, you need to pull that alignment bar over or actually adjust it to make sure you're 0 in the front and 0 in the back, or vice versa, 0 in the front, 0 in the back. So your inclinometer has both those in the same plane. So the rear wheel, think of it like this. If they're like this and the rear wheel's sitting like this, how's it going down the road? Front wheel's going straight up and down, rear wheel's cocked over to one side or that side there. And that's an exaggeration really, but you get the idea. It can be off quite a bit. And that's something you can't really eyeball. You need to measure that. Inclinometer, I got a digital one. I also have a old analog one here somewhere. I broke the analog one or lost the magnets off of it or something, so I used the new digital one, which works great as long as I can keep batteries in it. But that's